Questions like these are generally solved using a standard method which involves finding the grand total of all the values. That is, in this case, the grand total of the heights of all the students, and then dividing it by the number of students to find the average. So in this case, the standard method will involve finding the total one of the initial 10 students, which comes to 105 multiplied by 10, which is 1050 centimeters. Then for the next 20 students, the total will be 20 multiplied by 120, that is 2400 centimeters. So the grand total height of all the 30 students will be addition of these two values, which comes to 3450 centimeters. Therefore, the average for all the 30 students will come to 3450 divided by 30, which is the total number of students, and the average comes to 115 centimeters. I prefer to use an alternate method which is based on the weighted average concept. I'll try to explain it to you. I've drawn a scale here. At one end is 105 centimeters, at the other end is 120 centimeters. 10 students belong to 105 centimeters, whereas there are 20 students at 120 centimeters. Since the number of students here is more, the average, overall average number will be something that is closer to 120 than 105. That is, the difference between the average and 105 will be more than the difference between average and 120 centimeters. Now this difference is actually the exact opposite ratio of the number of students distribution. So if number of students are in the ratio of 1:2, the differences here will be in the ratio of 2:1. That means the difference between 105 and A will be 2x, and the difference between A and 120 will be x. So that is, the total difference is of 3x. So total difference is 15 centimeters, which is equal to 3x. Therefore, x is equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore, A is 5 centimeters less than 120 centimeters. Therefore, average comes to 115 centimeters. This concept, weighted average concept, is actually simple. Maybe I have not explained it that well, but it involves lot less calculation than the standard method. Once a student gets a grip of this weighted average concept, some questions like these can be solved within seconds. I'll try and explain this concept again in further questions.